The Heritage Foundation has demanded that Prince Harry's application for a U.S. visa be re-examined due to the things that Harry discussed in his memoir. However, it has since been claimed that the book is not proof that he took drugs. The Heritage Foundation views Harry's personal experiences about using recreational drugs in his 2023 memoir, Spare, as a confession and is exploiting him against him. The conservative think tank is interested in knowing what Harry said when asked about drug use on his U.S. visa application and whether the U.S. authorities gave him special treatment because he is a member of the royal family. However, a lawyer for the Biden administration is making the case that the claims might have been inflated or made up. John Bardo, an attorney for the Biden administration, stated, "The book isn't sworn testimony or proof that the Duke of Sussex did take illegal drugs." The lawsuit is being heard by Judge Carl J. Nicholas in a federal courtroom located in Washington, D.C. He once expressed worry that calling the Duke Prince Harry was inappropriate and that calling him the Duke of Sussex would be more appropriate. The Heritage Foundation has requested twice that Harry's immigration records and U.S. visa application be made available by the Department of Homeland Security. This is the second time the DHS has said no. It will be up to the judge if the government agency is obliged to make the information public. It has yet to be decided. In court filings, a DHS attorney claimed that Prince Harry's privacy would be unjustly violated by the court's admission of this information. The documents are especially delicate since making them public, even partially, would make Prince Harry's immigration status in the U.S. public, something he has not done. Courts have often held that a person's immigration status or visa are private, personal details that should not be disclosed. When Prince Harry published his book, it never occurred to him that the disclosures about his drug usage may have any bearing on his standing in the U.S. This is because Prince Harry is accustomed to living in a world where the conventional rules don't apply to him. After all, he is a member of the royal family. Note that the lawsuit is not about whether Harry may remain in the U.S. Rather, it's about whether the Department of Homeland Security has to disclose the information he submitted on his visa application. Harry recently discussed the idea of pursuing U.S. citizenship with Will Reeve, host of Good Morning America. This court case might be relevant to that if it's something he wants to pursue. Lying on his initial visa application paperwork could potentially jeopardize his chances of obtaining American citizenship, even if he were to acknowledge that he has used narcotics. Do you also believe that Prince Harry's memoir is not proof that he took drugs? Let us know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to the Royal Secrets channel.